Hello, beautiful morning to you all. Good to see you again this morning. Yes, this is the day the Lord has made, and so we rejoice and be glad in it. Psalm 118, verse 24. And so, like he's saying, it is always an opportunity and a privilege that the Lord has given to us. So we sing songs of praise to Him. So join me as we sing along. Is another morning trip. He shot up a lot. I'm here to say I love you. Yes, Lord. I'm here to say I adore you. Lord, I'm here not to complain about my many problems. By your spirit and your grace, I'm confident you will solve them. I'm here to say I adore you. I'm here to say I love you, Lord. I love to love you, Lord. Lord, I'm here to say how much I love you. Thank you for loving me first. Thank you for saving me.